Okay guys, good afternoon. I just want to show us how to make withdrawal on TMG. So I want to make my first withdrawal from TMG. So I'm coming to my Binance here to pick up my USDT wallet address that I will bind with my account with TMG so that I can make my withdrawal. So all I have to do is to click on withdraw. Okay, so I'll click on deposit, and then it will bring me here. I click on USDT, which you can see above here. So deposit USDT, and which network am I making use of? We are using Tron 20. This is Tron 20. Okay, so click on Tron 20. It will bring up the address. So we'll copy it. Good. So I come back to my TMG. Okay, it's loading. Let's give it time. It's actually loading. It's loading. Okay, so it's fully loaded. You come to pause. You click on pause. Click on withdraw. Bind my wallet. So the account is TRC20. You put it there. Come to address link. The address link I just copied now from my Binance. I'm going to put it there. So once I'm done that successfully now, I will save. So once I save, I've bound my wallet successfully. So now I can place a withdraw after binding successfully. Okay, so how much do I want to withdraw? So I'm withdrawing 20. Oh, it actually wants me. I want to, okay. So I can withdraw 20. Okay, so withdraw. So now it's telling me to select a one-off withdrawal address. So I'm going to do that right now. Which is this one. So I've placed the address there. Okay, so let's make it 22. Okay, let's make it 22. So the next thing now is to click on withdraw. Okay, the handling fee is 0.22, which is 1% withdrawal charge from TMG. So click on withdraw right now. An SMS code is going to be sent to my phone number. So I'll wait for it. So I'm going to click on send the code. Success. So let's wait for the code to come in. Now the code is in already. So I'm inputting the code has come in, and then my passphrase that I used, I'm going to put that in as well. Okay. So now I put in my one-time security password that allows me to make transactions, and I'll click sure. Submit successfully. Expect it in 1 to 5 minutes. So guys, when it arrives, I'll let us know. So I've gotten a alert from TMG that it has arrived. So I'll check my Binance. And guys, yeah, the fund has arrived. Less than a minute. You see that your deposit of 22 USD is now in your Binance account. Can you see that? So guys, TMG is the ball. Please get on board right now.